Imagine a world where dreams are rewarded, when news is reported to faces reflecting their love. Acquiescence is found when the clowns know they're bound by the wisdom rained down from above. But what if every word you've ever heard turns out to be a lie?
Don't make me push the button.
Oh, James, I've at last found you.
Rusty Fairwood, Clark Fairwood, and the people of East Plains in East Plains Get Out, a Fairwood Brothers production.
We interrupt this program to bring you a Channel 29 News special report.
This just in from the Channel 29 News Central desk. We bring you breaking developments in the search for escaped detainee James Harvey Snyder.
James Harvey Snyder.
James Harvey Snyder.
You don't mean those two guys with the hair?
The guys with the hair?
Yes, with the hair.
Rusty Fairwood, Clark Fairwood, and the people of East Plains in East Plains Get Out, a Fairwood Brothers production.
There's a train coming. Can't pretend you never knew. Turn around or you might miss it. And this train, this mighty train, it don't miss you. Yeah, this train, it don't miss you.
Rusty, you think that clown teacher did all the things they say?
Yeah, you never know what's ahead.
You can hide, but you just can't run.